put the machine down. Your front hand is going to be for all the pressure. Your back hand, you want to lock the trigger. Some machines are different, but you pull the trigger, push the button, and let go of the trigger. It locks. This is 600 RPM. When you do that, you then want to slide your hand up here with your thumb on top, like you're grabbing it from the side, and this is going to help you move the machine. So you don't want to push down here because you're going to end up with a machine that wants to run away. So if you push down on the handle, it's going to take off. If you lift up on the handle, it goes the other way. So this machine, or this hand for pressure only, you should be able to apply pressure. This hand is for control only. You can't really apply pressure this way. You can't always control it this way. Independently, you should be able to hold the machine flat. Together, you can have precise control. And because this machine spins clockwise, you're going to work in a clockwise motion. You're always going to go from left to right at the top of your piece and right to left at the bottom. This is clockwise. I still have plenty of water in my work area. If you go the wrong way, it quickly dries up the work area. So this is going to keep all your water towards the center of your work area and also pull the water away from the tape and plastic or the drywall or the backsplash or the wood or whatever is on your adjacent area. Even though you're going to tape off properly, you're going to keep the water from getting pushed in there. So always go in the proper direction. On floor machines, it's the opposite because they spin the opposite way. All right, so when we're doing this, because we're doing a whole piece, I'm just going to go edge to edge. But if you were doing a countertop and the backsplash was here, you're going to work up to the backsplash here. Your next grit is going to be there. Your next grit is going to be there. And then by the time you get to 800 grit, if you're on the backsplash, you'll be okay. It'll blend in. There are other tools to use to aid in edging and stuff like that, and we'll get into those in another video. So here we go.